Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to go get Mick. Mick's going to go buy a new bike today, which is kind of exciting. You probably know from the title anyway. He's bought a Kawasaki KRX or KSR 110 gag bike. He's been on about getting a Grom for ages. He's not really, he sort of fell out of love with the DAX, so he's been looking at a Grom, and I was sort of umming and ahhing. I don't hate them, but to be honest, every man and his dog's got a Grom, ain't they? So I said to him, what about one of these? And I was looking at the KSRs and the KSXs when I was looking at gag bikes, and they are cool. And this one's come up, it's about an hour away from us, so we're going to go Sunday, and well, we're going to go Sunday, we're going to go today, being Sunday, and go and have a quick look at it. Up on one of the Facebook groups, going to collect a new bike this morning. Japanese, small, any guesses, just for fun. Get new monkey. What's the other one? Grom? No, mate. Is it red? No. ST70? No. New monkey? No. Benelli TNT? No. A moat rat? That's the like the monkey military one. They're wicked. Moto combo, not a fucking millionaire. Z50, no, he's gone, I give up. And CT90 or CT110, no. Is it blue? Let's reply.
Maybe.
That's not blue.
Oh,
No, no. 125 step through, like Cub. No. And it carries on.
I know.
Oh, such a bike tease. Here he is, the Scarlet Pimpernel. Smile then, you miserable bastard. You're right. So we got it, Mick's happy. Goes in the back of my little Fiat, alright, so we're going to get it, just going to stop at the services, grab some tweaks, we haven't stopped all morning. But no, I'm going to run up to work so we can have a quick blast on it. It's got loads of trip bits on it and you can't see it in here, so I'm going to take it to work and we're going to have a blast up and down the estate on it and get some good shots. So I'll update you and fill you in as soon as we get there. Right, here it is, Mick's new bike, KSR 110. It's got a lot of trick bits on it. Got a good deal on this in the end. Real nice bike. I'll run you through what it is. If you can't hear me because of the road noise, I'm shouting for a reason, because last time, every time I try and get any decent audio quality, the sound on this microphone's terrible. So if I'm yelling a bit, it's because obviously I'm trying to make sure it comes through clear. The guy who had it was real nice guy and everything else, but I didn't really want to pull the camera out and start filming while I was there, especially being on his own property and that. I didn't really want to start having an awkward conversation about, is it alright if I film inside your garage and stuff? So we just left it as is. The guy had it to go on the back of his motorhome, but he wanted a two-seater, so he's bought a DAX, so it sort of worked out great really. It's got loads of cool bits on it. He said it might have a bore kit in it. He said he's bought it as is. He said every single nut on it was gold at one time, but he's changed it all back because it said it looked hideous. But it's a real nice looking bike. It's got a different headlight on it. It's got some aftermarket levers here, aftermarket clutch master there. It's got an aftermarket rear brake lever. It's obviously got some sort of like semi-cut race slick tyre. It's got a caliper off a Yamaha R6 on it, which is really cool. It's got a trick engine cover, another trick chain cover. It's got a brand new chain, either a reconditioned or painted up shock. Mick's done really well on this. So I thought I'd bring it up, we'd have a look around it. Happy with it, Mick? Yes. Yes, Mick is happy. So, yeah, and it's got an aftermarket exhaust on it, a few other carbon covers and stuff. It's actually really smart. The guy reckoned, he said he was told that the rear seat cover, rear tail tidy was R6, and so was the front brake. These covers are nice as well. The headlight isn't the original style, but it's smart and it looks decent. So we're gonna have a quick rip up and down the estate on it. That's why we brought it into work. Don't tell my boss. But no, I'm going to take a couple of shots of it, and then we're going to get some action shots of us having a go on it quickly, because we were eager to see how well it went. We fired it up and rode it, had a little go on it there, but not like a proper go. So right, let's get some decent shots of this then, going up and down the estate. I'm going to fire up the mix. I don't even know which way to fuel it on or off, so get it fired up.
Then my Dax did that for a while, didn't it?
Yeah, until we set up properly. Sounds great though, doesn't it? Yeah, you haven't got it. Well, that guy who's got this, he has got a real bad flat spot. I didn't worry, I was warming it up, so I didn't want to change the shit out of it, but it got like a real bad flat spot and it wasn't sorting, but trust me, that goes alright. You're going to cut that. Hydraulic clutch is lovely on it. All up. And it's got a terrible flat spot. One's carb cleaning or sorting or something, but it rev it up and it moves. Wow, the hydraulic clutch is lovely. Gearing. Breaking up terrible. It's got like a fuel issue or something. Yeah, it does rev through it. Yeah. It rides lovely though. It does ride really well. That hydraulic clutch is good though, isn't it? Yeah, let me see. A tweak on the air mixture or something. Yeah. It's going to pick the revs up a little bit. Yeah, it's just water and mud when you've been up there. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, then we'll go now, see if it gets any down. It got... No, they're all up. It's lovely though. It rides really well. Rev through it, honestly. Rev up through it in first gear. It goes like a fucking bastard. It goes alright. If that's 110 standard, that's the... Ah, you fucking wally. He's holding it pin open. Hold that half throttle, then go full throttle. Mate, that's gonna go well. When that's done properly, that is gonna go really well. Mate, that is more than a 110.
When it goes past that.
Yeah. Oh mate, it pulls hard, doesn't it? Yeah. It goes really well. Yeah, I'll have it. Well, we made it back into our workshop down at my dad's because Mick was going to take it straight home, but after riding up and down the estate, it's got a terrible fueling issue. I mean, when you rev it all the way through the rev range and get it halfway, like, you know, up into the power band, the thing absolutely flies. And that's definitely not 110 in there. Someone's put a bore kit or something in, but the guy was unknown of the history on it, so we just took his word for it. He said it was as is when he got it. All he's done is tidy it up and paint it up. So yeah, I'll have to look in. You know, we'll have to like dive in a bit deeper and see what's going on with the carb. It's got like a modified exhaust intake manifold. So someone's cut and shut that and then put it the other way, which that just wants a spinner plate on it, so we can point the carb this way really. The guys put another carb on it. So I don't know. We brought it into the workshop because Mick can't ride it like this, so it's going to need setting up and tune up. Not only that, the dyno is going to be in the next week, so we'll be able to stick it on the dyno and set it all up properly. He said the other carb, the dude gave us another carb with it, like the original carb with it, and he said it just leaked fuel, so it's either going to be a gasket or the float bowl sticking or something simple. So if it ran perfect with that carb on it and that manifold, I'm going to be able to, you know, finally be able to do something for him anyway. So there's no point in it going to Mick's house because it'll have to come down here to come in the workshop. But no, I thought I'd do like a little bit of an outro video and show you around it a bit better. Making my KX60 looking shit, though. Okay, there is new plastics for the KX and there's a load of stuff going on with the KX, but I just ain't had a chance to do any videos or any time to work on that yet. Like I said previously, that thing's pissing out gearbox oil, so there's a brand new set of UFO plastics and some more uprated stuff for that, better to suit me for racing, so that's going to get done. But then Mix is it will get done, and Mix is going to be a nice easy job to do. It's only wants the carb and the fueling sorting out, but it's a nice bike. It rides great. It rides absolutely stellar. Like I say, it's got that uprated front caliper, which really helps with the braking. The braking's wicked. You can do wicked stoppies on it. But no, we'll probably have a bit of fun on this. It'll be great for us when we get to the TT and we can ride these around on the Isle of Man. I've got my Gixxer sitting at the back there that obviously needs to come out and have some love done to it. But once we've got the dyno up and running, we can have a little bit of fun with these. We'll probably do the KSR 110 versus the KX60 on the dyno and see which one prevails, 2-stroke or 4-stroke. My money's on the 2-stroke, but you never know. I definitely, after riding this, I definitely know it's not 110cc. That pulls really, really well. So follow us on the old YouTube there, and keep you updated with what's going on. Ciao for now.